how to get Spotify Premium for 3 months. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from Geek, and in today's video I'll show you how you can get your Spotify Premium for 3 months. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open the Spotify app and then you go to the premium section, you only have the option to actually get premium, and you only have one plan. Basically you're going to get charged monthly and not annually, or not on the date that you actually wish. So in our previous video we learned how we can subscribe to Spotify annually and get a 12-month plan. Similarly, in that same process we're going to learn today how we can actually get the 3-month plan, because obviously you can see we only have 1-month plan in this case on the Spotify app. So the only reason and the solution I can think of is to open any of the Amazon shopping or any e-commerce application that you have, and you have a shop for Spotify's 3 months gift card. So what you want to do is go ahead and then type in Spotify premium gift card 3 months, and you can see the 3-month gift card costs you up to $30 and the 12-month annual gift card costs you up to $99. So depending upon how much ever months you want to buy for Spotify, redeem and get that specific gift card for yourself. So since in this case we're learning 3 months, I'll just select the 3-month plan over here and I'll go ahead and buy this. So you want to go ahead and actually buy this because the delivery is also going to be via email. So you're going to get email about specific gift card code, so you want to be very careful whether or not you have access to that email. Now once you do that, after you get the code, what we will do is we will now go ahead and then open up our browser, and once we open up our browser you want to go to this URL which is called spotify.com/redeem. So you don't necessarily need to type this inside in because that's basically not going to work. You just want to go to spotify.com/redeem. I'll also make sure to drop a link, and once you do that you'll be taken to this page where you simply have to enter our premium gift card code that we purchased earlier. So you could be delivered via email or it could be delivered via a physical gift card, as long as you have the code and the security card as well. Make sure to verify the I'm not a robot captcha, enter your gift card code. Depending upon the value of your gift card, your plan is going to be successfully redeemed on Spotify, and now you have the 3-month plan. But as I said earlier, if you go to the premium section on Spotify, I personally didn't find the option. Now if you live in India, by the way, you have multiple options such as family plan, individual plan, and so on. But aside from India, and if you live in some other regions, then obviously you would have to actually buy the code and then redeem your code into the Spotify platform. Hopefully this video cleared your confusion as to how you can buy Spotify 3 months. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.